Chapter 12, Embryology of the Head and Neck. Question 1. Pharyngeal mucosa is innervated by the glossopharyngeal nerves because it develops from the a. First pharyngeal arch, b. Second pharyngeal arch, c. Third pharyngeal arch, d. Fourth pharyngeal arch. Correct answer is C. Third pharyngeal arch. First arch derivatives are innervated by branches of the trigeminal nerves, second arch derivatives by the facial nerves, third arch derivatives by the glossopharyngeal nerves and fourth arch derivatives by the vagus nerves. Because the pharyngeal mucosa is innervated by the ninth cranial nerve, it tells you that it originated from the third pharyngeal arch. Question 2. What is the embryological origin of the hyoid bone? A. The first pharyngeal arch. B. The first and second pharyngeal arches. C. The second pharyngeal arch. D. The second and third pharyngeal arches. Correct answer is D. The second and third pharyngeal arches. The skeletal derivatives of the pharyngeal arches. It can be seen that the mandible and two of the three ear ossicles develop from the first arch, the remaining ossicle and part of the hyoid from the second arch and the remainder of the hyoid from the third arch. Question 3. Which of the following muscles are derived from the first brachial arch? A. The muscles of mastication. B. The muscles of mastication and anterior belly of digastric. C. The muscles of mastication and anterior and posterior bellies of digastric. D. The muscles of mastication, anterior and posterior bellies of digastric and geniohyoid. Correct answer is B. The muscles of mastication and anterior belly of digastric. The muscles derived from each pharyngeal arch. Each muscle belly of the digastric muscle is derived from a different arch, the anterior belly from the first arch and the posterior belly from the second arch. The geniohyoid is probably derived from cervical myotomes as it is innervated by branches of the cervical plexus.